Anyway, that's going to do it for this episode of the vlog. But what do you think of music for that? And what do you think my plans are for it? I guarantee you won't get it right. But I hope you enjoy.
It looks like a giant freaking condom.
This car. Take care. Have a great day. Whoa! Whoa! Whoa!
Cool! The fuck is all this? Looks like some fucking Mega Man news.
It does, yeah, actually. Maybe that should be the instructions. Are you ready to get air soup?
I'm Zuki. Bazinga.
Bazinga! Are you ready to get air soup, bro?
Nope. It's a full like this.
I knew that! Oh shit! Okay, I get it. How close?
I don't know!
You scared now, Mom? You were making fun of it before?
I want boy game!
Boy game?
Board game. Yeah, sure.
Shut up!
What?
Don't you worry, Jack Spadassi Pie. I got the Robo Twin. Oh my god! It can twist anything. It probably needs batteries, I just realized.
I'm excited for this one. Yeah, it was like a drone that like flew down onto it, and then you could twist.
There will be no effort
If
whatsoever.
only we had another Robo Twist get the bottom of it.
Alright, you ready?
Whoa! 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 Calm down, Robo Twist!
Stop twisting, Robo Twin! There's no stop!
Fucking machines, you can't trust them.
Alright. Ah! How does it work? Yeah.
Oh!
Yeah.
Robo Twist!
Robo Twist!
Robo Twist!
Robo Twist! Robo Twist! Robo Twist! Up! Oh!
I was almost expecting this whole thing to shatter in our hands.
It's not stopping!
It just wants to keep on twisting. This is gonna crush it.
Ah!
Nipple Twist! That was amazing.
What could possibly beat that?
What beats Robo Twist?
I've been wanting to use these for a long time. Since we have matching outfits and all,
Yes!
we get matching
Automatons. That's what I saw in the box, and I'm so fucking happy. Except we might need batteries.
Need batteries for these as well?
Yeah.
Oh.
Fuck. Jack's up again. I can play myself.
No? So what's more annoying than two loud-ass YouTubers?
It's like I'm looking into an audio mirror.
Oh my god, stop! Jesus Christ! We have to play something together. Wait.
I don't know.
Whoa! That was jamming!
There was no, it was a Zelda thing I learned. What the fuck is that?
Ah! Do it again.
register player?
That I am. Thank you.
They're so fucking cute, though.
What could possibly be better? Oh shit! I realized I have fucking wings and shit. Jack, do you like reading?
No.
Well, I have something for you.
Whoa! The lazy readers!
The lazy raiders.
What the fuck are the lazy readers? Are they mirror glasses?
They are mirror glasses, boy. They match your outfit.
Oh my god, that's so weird. I'm like walking and at my own feet. Hey, what up?
I see. Can you see? Wait, I gotta show you. You see your glasses?
Can you see me, boy? I don't know if you can see because of the lights.
Oh, I see. Yeah.
Those are so weird.
Whoa!
And
It's like I'm playing a video game.
they're so clear as well.
I see my knob as well. That's great. Oh, hell yeah. I get it.
Yeah.
I get it. This is awesome. Wait, alright.
Oh my god.
This one I bought. It had bad reviews. Stop doing that. It's so fucking creepy. Oh shit. Whoa. Whoa.
Whoa.
Whoa. Hell yeah.
You have wings now, so it doesn't work. That's really fucking cool.
Alright, pass it along. You ready for the pass along?
Now we're just holding hands.
You ready for the pass along? You get. Whoa! Back at it again! With the right one! The last item. The last item, Jack. Are you ready?
Love this. Totally life-changing bra.
Life-changing bra. Well, we're just gonna have to see about that.
This is an actual bra.
Yeah, I don't know what your size. I went with A cut.
Yeah, that's probably accurate.
Ew. Oh, no. Oh, nice. Oh, yeah. Well, this just became really gay.
PewDiePie channel, 2017.
Do you need help with that? You look like a Hawaiian girl or something.
These are my coconuts.
All right, well that was.
This is YouTube 2017. Loud noises and nudity.
Leave a like and check out Jack for some reason if you haven't. And as always, Sister Fister.
What does it sound like when 1,000 Jacksepticeyes get together? It's True Sandstorm.
Surely we can figure out how to play. Oh, that was the right tune.
Yeah. That's pretty good.
We'll take it.
Peace.